What's up, guys? Welcome to Prank Warfare. Kyle is in his room playing video games. He got me last week with the whole flower thing, so I'm gonna go in the kitchen and try to basically set up a bloody scene and pretend like I accidentally knocked the garbage disposal on and sliced up my hand. So hopefully I can give him a little bit of a heart attack and not screw this up. Let's see how it goes. I'm just kidding. Dude, it's like
I can't grab the camera. It is 11:57. Smile.
You're horrible. That's horrible.
Watch the neighbor come up here. He's gonna hate us.